Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can make $500 daily online without spending a dime. Yes, so this is something you're interested in. Keep on watching this video all the way till the end. You know how it is on this channel. Oh yeah, if you're new here, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your massive support to your girl. Yes, I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? What is your name? What do you do for a living? So while you guys are introducing yourselves, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, you know, it's all about how to make money. Yeah, so this is your money channel. We are the money moguls. Do you agree with me? We are all the money moguls. And of course, like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, trust me, you will never be broke again. I've been broke before. I know exactly what it feels like, and I hate that place, and I never ever want to be there again in my entire life. So guys, without further ado, let me put you guys right on track and let's secure the bags together. Come with me guys, let's go. Let's go.
Mariam A.
So besties, the first on my list is micro jobs. Yes, so micro jobs is one of the best ways to actually make money online for students. Yes, students, housewives, and people who have no computer skills. Yes, they're actually very popular in countries like India, Pakistan, even Indonesia and South Africa. Yes, even Netherlands, the Philippines, even United States, Canada, Australia, Belgium, Nairobi, just to mention a few. And among the most common ways to earn money online without a single need for a single cent is to learn a specific skill, whether it is programming or design or offering your services on freelance platforms. Where this method is among the best ways to start making an income online, and among the most prominent freelance platforms that you can deal with is the Agents Club platform. Yes, go ahead and search on Google for agentsclub.com. Yes, this platform enjoys high credibility and protects both the customer and the service provider from fraud, and it seeks to do its best to protect both parties and satisfy all users of the platform. There is a support team that is always ready to help in case you encounter any problems or there's any inquiry. Yes, the internet actually makes it difficult to tell the difference between legitimate micro work websites and scam micro job websites. And as a result, I thought about, compiling this list of legitimate online micro job websites. Besties, but before coming to the list of the best micro job websites, let us understand in brief about micro jobs. What are micro jobs? Micro jobs are online tasks that can be completed in a few minutes. Yes, the tasks are very simple and the basic knowledge of the internet is enough for anyone to perform these tasks. Now, how micro employment websites work? Here is how it works. Websites that offer micro jobs have two types of people registered with them. Number one, the employer and the worker. Yes, we have the employer and we have the worker. An employer is someone who wants to perform a task, who literally wants to hire someone to perform a task, while the worker is a person who wants to make money doing tasks that the employer posts on the task, yes, on the micro job website, after filling the payment to be made to the worker. Now, the payment is kept by the site, and the goal is to ensure that micro jobs avoids any problem of non-payments by false customers. So the worker can then look out for tasks on the website and choose the one that he's able to fill. After completion of the task, according to the request of the employer, a worker will have to submit completion, yes, and evidence of completion of the task. Then the employer then examines the evidence to verify if the worker has actually completed the work. If the job has been completed successfully, it marks it as completed, and then the micro job website will release the payment to the worker. Now, this website usually charges the employer a small percentage as a commission. Yes. And guess what? Workers are not charged. So when you make money on these platforms, they don't charge you anything. Now, in case of a dispute, you can actually contact the website, which at its sole discretion will decide the same even for the worker or the employer. The task depends on the complexity of the task. Now, the more complex the task is, the higher the salary. So your monthly earnings will vary greatly depending on the website and your skills. Those who clearly understand the employer's instructions for completing the task can earn up to $300. Yes. Now you can earn up to $300. Yes. Now, how will you be paid? almost all these websites pay in dollars. Since workers come from all over the world, most of these websites make payments through payment service providers like PayPal, Pioneer, Payza, and so on. Now, some companies also make check payments in the United States and in Canada. So now that you know how microjob works, let us go directly to the list of the best microjob websites. There are so many websites that offer microjobs, and I've listed only the top 5 companies that are legitimate and provide enough opportunities for you to earn money. The first on my list here is Fiverr. Yes, do you know you can get paid to do gigs? Yes, even starting for as low as $5 per gig, I tell you. And guess what? You can make thousands of dollars even on Fiverr. But getting started is the most important thing. So head over to Fiverr and start to make money from today. The next one on my list here is Amazon Mechanical Turk. Yes, Amazon Mechanical Turk, popularly called M-Turk, is the most trusted website for microjobs because it belongs to Amazon. In addition, the salary per job as M-Turk is generally higher than salaries on other micro job websites. The third on my list is Micro Workers. Yes, for those of you who cannot register on MTurk, Micro Workers is a good alternative, yes, to MTurk, and the pay rates per job for Micro Workers is actually pretty decent. Micro Workers offer a common registration for workers and employers. When registering, please be sure to enter the correct information, including your address, as Micro Workers will send you a verification pin to your mailing address. So, and then you will need to enter to withdraw your income for the very first time. This process is actually necessary to ensure that people do not create multiple accounts or false accounts. It is called KYC, know your customer, where they get to find out exactly where you live. If you're able to verify your address, then it truly, shows that you live there. But if you're unable to verify it, it's pretty much like YouTube as well. When you get paid, when you start a YouTube channel and you get monetized on YouTube, they will send you a pin. Yes, your AdSense pin. If you're able to get the pin, then you can start receiving payments. Yes, so the next one on my list here is Rapid Workers. Guys, Rapid Workers is another good site for micro jobs. Its interface is very similar to Micro Workers, but a few important features are missing. Yes, it is similar to it. You can also make money on the website. The next one on my list here is Short Task. Yes, I know you've not heard of all these sites. You've not heard about these websites before. Guys, I am constantly researching all of these amazing resources just for you guys. Now, besties, Short Task is another good website for micro jobs. Here, the person posting the task is called the seeker, and the person doing the task is called the solver. Separate registration and login is actually required for the solver and the seeker. The minimum wage for the short job is $10. The minimum you can make there is $10, and you can make as much as you want. And guys, that is it for today. If you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments. Please, if you have not joined the family, go ahead and subscribe to my channel today. Like this video. I am constantly researching information. I'm going to be sharing a secret in my next video, so make sure that you turn on your notification bells so that you get notified each time I drop a new video. Just a video right here on this channel. I'm rooting for you guys. I'm working for you guys day and night, so make sure you don't even sleep on it. As in G-Mason. Yes, so, and if you have not introduced yourselves yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and introduce yourselves in the comments. Please, if you have any questions for me, please feel free. This is a safe space. This is your channel. It's not just my channel. It is your channel. It is our channel. So please feel free to ask your questions. If you have any questions for me, I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. Please share this video with your friends that you really want to see win. Yes, if you want your friends to win and win real big, you want your circle, you want to become a circle of, business moguls and billionaires, and you know how to do it. Guys, please send this video to your friends, and yeah, let me know in the comments. Tell them to mention your name in the comments, because I'm going to be giving there'll be a giveaway on my channel pretty soon. So make sure that you stay connected so that you don't miss out on it. And that is it for today, guys. Making money, like I said, money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. I leave you now in God's hands, and of course I will see you in my next video. In case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am so proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and good to expect, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.